recommendations po tayong ginawa dyan. Ano, so, regarding doon sa recommendations, it will be, siguro it will be most proper, siguro it will be discussed by the PDEA himself. Yeah, actually yung suspect natin at the very first day na we investigated the case, wala na yung tao eh. Yun yung taong wala na rito. And hanggang ngayon hindi na bumalik, no? Kasama yung buong pamilya niya na lumayas ng Davao City. So, actually is out of Region 11 and sabi ko nga paulit-ulit, meron pa siyang time na i-surrender yan. Kasi we didn't give any timeline diyan para i-surrender yung cocaine. So, still he has time to surrender those 2 bricks of cocaine. Kung na-dispose naman niya yan, i-enjoy niya na lang yan. Anyway, kilala na naman namin siya. Upon submitting the final report ng Task Force Cocaine, kasama dyan sa recommendation for the immediate burning ng droga na yan, and it will be properly viewed and properly represented by the media also para makita ninyo kung paano susunodin. So you will be part of the inventory actually ng cocaine.
So, isa lang yun, sir? Isa lang siya? Isa lang tao?
Yes, actually isang pamilya lang yan. So, sabi ko nga, we already know you. So, may time ka pa na i-surrender yan. Hindi na. Pagka ma-approvean na yan ng National Headquarters ng PDEA yung burning ng cocaine, so dire-diretso na yan. We are just waiting for the order coming